How to install mods on Minecraft PE. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to install mods on Minecraft PE. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, download the trusted Minecraft mod app. There are two main free apps that are available for both iPhone and iPad, as well as Android phones and tablets. Use the following steps to download their add-ons or for Minecraft or Terra mods for Minecraft. Simply open your App Store, then tap on the search tab. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen, then simply type MCPE add-ons or Terra mods into the search bar. Tap search, then simply tap get or install for add-ons for Minecraft. For a large selection of PE add-ons, tap get or install to get Terra mods for Minecraft. For a small selection of PC mods converted to PE add-ons, enter your password or Touch ID when prompted. After that, simply open the application. After that, in the application, simply search for a mod that you like or that you want. After that, simply select your preferred mod. Then simply tap the download button. Then simply tap the install button on the Terra mods for Minecraft PE. This button will still say download, but this button will still install the mods. Then simply tap copy to Minecraft on iPhone. Then simply wait for the mod to install. Then create a new world with the mod activated. Make sure to turn on the experimental settings. So in this very simple way, you could add mods on your Minecraft PE. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.